Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. This is Rupesh Jadhav. Now we are dealing with the same topic, that is communication and information technology part 2. As I have told you, I can't skip any of the point through this book, and it is very important to understand the India Air book. It take at least 3 years for a beginner to understood this book. I'm making it easy and giving you the bits of these books, and it is very important for any exam, not only civil services. You can go if you are going for any exam, for banking or for what we say, for defense sector, or for state civil services administration, any exam. I can't predict everywhere the questions are there from this topic. So let's start. If you have missed my earlier part, this is my earlier part, you might have missed it. Okay, you please go through that part 1 of the same heading. Okay, same topic, then you will realize. Now, national pension scheme. So the new system, NPS, for common citizen was introduced by the government in 2009. Okay, and India Post is a point of the presence of national pension system. It is done by India Post. Okay, now again try to remember. Here it is, the name given is India Post. Under the Department of Post there is India Post. Don't get confused. It is a name of that point under which the national pension scheme system run. Okay, subscriber, any Indian citizen. Okay, it is for any Indian citizen is of the age group between 18 to 55. You don't have any pension scheme, you can join this. ओके 18 टू 55। मैं तो अभी से बोलूँगा, अगर आप 18 साल के ऊपर के हो तो अभी से भरना शुरू कर दो, उसमें बहुत कम ये लगेगा और बहुत फ़ायदों में रहोगे आप लोग। ओके, डोंट वेट कि भाई मैं मम्मी पापा से 100 रुपये, 200 रुपये, 50-500 रुपये कैसे मांगूँ। मम्मी पापा को जाके बोल दो कि मुझे ये नेशनल पेंशन स्कीम में पैसा डालना है, आई वॉन्ट टू इन्वेस्ट द मनी इन दिस नेशनल पेंशन स्कीम। ओके, दे टू विल एग्री विद योर सजेशन, आई बेट। बहुत अच्छी ये प्लानिंग रहेगी। हम लोगों ने कुछ गलतियां की है, वी आर नाउ वी रियलाइज व्हाट मिस्टेक वी हैव डन, सो डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक एंड यू कैन कंट्रीब्यूट आफ्टर द एज 18। वंस यू हैव गॉट द पास्ट 18 years of age, जस्ट स्टार्ट पुटिंग मनी इन दैट। जितना कम उम्र रहेगा उतना कम पैसा रहेगा। If today you are going to invest, if you are 18 and 19 or 20, if you are investing 500 rupees every month in that pension scheme, you might think that 500 बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, तो it is not so, because when you go for the job at the age of 30 or 29, 27, then the same 500 figure becomes a larger one and it goes beyond 5,000. Okay, so less कम उम्र में निकालोगे तो बहुत ही बढ़िया रहेगा। एंड मेन अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, it is managed at the pension funds managers appointed by this pension fund regulatory and development authority, PFRDA। इसके ऊपर एक सेपरेट टॉपिक ही रहेगा दोस्तों। दिस इज अ बिग टॉपिक, PFRDA। सो अभी का ये ध्यान में रखिए कि पेंशन स्कीम, वट एवर द डिफरेंट पेंशन फंड्स आर देयर, the different pension schemes are managed by this PFRDA, पेंशन फंड्स रेगुलेटरी डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं बात करूँ ये किस तरह का है, सो टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री में टेलीकम्युनिकेशन को कंट्रोल करने वाला, मैनेज करने वाला जो है वो है ट्राई, TRAI। उसी तरह से इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में जो है वो है IRDA। ओके, इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी। एंड इन द सेम वे दिस इज डीलिंग विद टेलीकॉम रेगुलेशन। जब जियो ने फ्री में देने का वादा किया और दूसरे साल, तो सारे टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री वाले जो थे, एयरटेल, वोडाफोन, आइडिया, ये सब दौड़ के गए थे ट्राई के पास कि जियो को रोको। उसी तरह से इंश्योरेंस से रिलेटेड अगर आपके इसमें कुछ भी होगा, वो ये नहीं, LIC नहीं, बाकी जितने भी इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज है उनको रेगुलेट करने वाली, इंक्लूडिंग LIC एंड ऑल अदर इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज are regulated by this IRDA. In the same way the pensions are regulated by this, okay, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Try to understand this. Okay, then the social security scheme. So which are the social security schemes? सामाजिक सुरक्षा योजना है, कौन सी है? तो जन सुरक्षा स्कीम एंड द लाइक द प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना एंड प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना. चेक आउट द लॉन्ग फॉर्म्स एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स. प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना एंड प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना were launched in 2015. Okay, in all CBS post office, for all post office saving account holder. So Department of Post has assigned a memorandum of understanding with National Insurance Company and Life Insurance Company for these respectively. Okay, so try to understand. National Insurance Company, that is NIC plus NIC for PMSBY, प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, while LIC is for PMJJBY, that is प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना. सो LIC फॉर PMJJBY. And in the same way, Atal Pension Yojana. Atal Pension Yojana is also there. If you have not gone through National Pension Scheme, you can go for Atal Pension Yojana. APY has been launched in CBS sorry, from 2015. So this was all about the pension scheme run under this what we say post office. Now I have used the word Jana Suraksha Yojana, so I am skipping this point and I am moving forward to another topic, that is Jana Suraksha Yojana. Okay, so Jana Suraksha Yojana, what is this? Pradhan Mantri, that is the same point they have mentioned another way. Okay, social security scheme or Jana Suraksha Yojana, that is the same. Now about Sukanya Samriddhi account. So it is a scheme for girl child. Okay, it is a scheme for girl child and launched in 2015. एंड उसके लिए जो कोई भी अगर आप गर्ल होगी तो वन गर्ल, नेम ऑफ वन गर्ल चाइल्ड. ओके, ओनली वन अकाउंट इन द नेम ऑफ वन गर्ल चाइल्ड. यानी दो लड़कियां तो दो लड़कियां, मीन्स इफ़ यू हैव टू डॉटर्स, सो you can't make one account, you have to make separate account for those, and the name of the different girl children up to 10 years. So if your child daughter is more than 10 years, then you can't go for this account. If its age is less than 10 years, then you can go for this Sukanya Samriddhi account. Okay, the next point, that is India Post Payment Bank, that is IPPB. It was set up in 2016 with mandate to build most accessible, affordable and trusted bank for common man. Okay, so it is a bank for common man by removing the barriers of unbanked and promoted adoption of cashless transaction in predominantly cash based economy. Simple, जिन गांव में बैंक्स नहीं है तो पोस्ट ऑफिस तो ज़रूरी मिलेगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा, डाकिया तो आएगा ही आएगा भले बैंक ना आए. तो उन गांव में कॉमन मैन के लिए इंडिया पोस्ट पेमेंट बैंक है. ओके, सो इट गॉट incorporated as a public limited with 100% GOI equity under the government of India equity under Department of Post, sorry. So this is important. So there are 650 branches of this with 1.36 lakh access point. हर गांव में नहीं है, but जो postman का है, through with the help of postman you can have the access to this banking system. Okay, so 3 lakh trained and certified postmen are there, and GDS to offer bank to the doorstep. It is the bank at doorstep. So which of the following is giving the service? This question is there. Which of the following banks give you the service at doorstep? Options: SBI, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra or any bank will be there. The answer, correct answer is India Post Payment Bank. This bank gives you the service at your doorstep. Okay, so the Saline feature deposit, they are also running the deposit saving scheme. Okay, deposit under saving and current account, sorry. So money transfer instant by 24/7, कभी भी मनी ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ MG, NREGA, scholarships, social welfare benefits and other government subsidies. Third party products like loan, insurance, investment, post office bank system. You can fill your insurance what we premium by this method, or you can invest in any way, wherever you want to invest in any government equity, it can be done by this way. Okay, so bill and utility payment, you can pay the bill and DTH recharge, electricity, water, gas bill, donation, insurance premium, I told you as earlier. Enterprises, merchant payments, postal product, digital payments of e-commerce, delivery, so, and small merchant, kirana store, organized retail, offline payment, cash management, everything. Okay, so here one thing is more important, e-commerce delivery. So digital payment of e-commerce delivery is also done. Then post office saving bank, this is product. Okay, this post office saving bank, here the heading is India Post Payment Bank, but now I am talking about post office saving bank. Product primarily aims service saving various IPPB, primary focus on encouraging digital payment, okay, and remittances. So post office saving bank is going for digital payment and remittances. And saving schemes, I have already taken the saving schemes, okay, like SB saving bank account, like TD, RD, TD means time deposit, MIS monthly insurance, monthly income scheme, then provident fund, provident pension fund, like that, SSY, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, those are, I have mentioned all about those here. Check out, let's go. TD, MIS, PPF, NSC, KVP, SCSS, SSY. Okay, it is mentioned in my previous video. So with the introduction of IPPB, post office saving bank, okay, and post office saving account, POSA means post office saving account, POSA post office saving account, POSB post office saving bank, this is the difference. Okay, so enabling them, the banking, thereby enabling them IP, IMPS, UPA, NEFT, RTGS, these are the methods of transaction. Okay, you might be knowing that through NEFT, RTGS, you can transfer money instantly on the same day at any city throughout the India. Okay, so here a swipe of destination for account which have balances over 1 lakh at the end of the day. So 1 लाख तक के रुपए आप उसमें से ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं, इतना ही है. ओके, when moreover POSB ये हो गया है, so it can use by MSME, panchayat, low income household, everyone. Okay, so this was about the postal bank services, which are the services provided by these financial services provided by these post offices. Okay, so friends, I think you like my video, so please give like, please do comment. I'm again repeating, your comment motivate me. One comment, one video will be definitely there. Okay, for every comment one video will be there, and tell me in which way you want, and your likes, comments will motivate me. And please share this video to your friends, and please subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. Okay, thank you very much.